Hi everyone, welcome to Cook Eat Wanda. I hope you're all doing good. Today I'm going to share with you guys beetroot cutlet recipe. If you have been to any of those Indian coffee house restaurants, you would have definitely had this before. Guys, mark my words, just try this recipe once and you're going to love it so much. So let's get started, but before that please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Let me first walk you through the ingredients. We need 2 medium-sized beetroot. I have grated them using a grater. 1 boiled potato. I have pressure cooked them for 4 whistles and peeled off the skin. Breadcrumbs. These are homemade breadcrumbs. If you want to know how to prepare them, I'll share the link in the description box below and also in the I button above. Do check that out. 1 onion finely chopped, 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste or crushed, 3 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, amchur powder or dry mango powder. Heat up a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add in 1 onion finely chopped. Saute them for 2 minutes. Saute until the raw smell from onion goes away. Now add in 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste or crushed ginger garlic. Saute them for a minute or 2. Now we'll add in the spices. We'll start with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, red chili powder about half a teaspoon, garam masala about 1/4 teaspoon, mix well. Cook for a minute. Now add in the grated beetroot. Combine everything well. Cook them for 5 minutes or until the beetroot turns soft. Now add in salt as per taste. Now add in the amchur powder or dry mango powder about 1 teaspoon. This is optional. Combine everything well. Now we'll add in the boiled potato. Just mash them with your hands and add it to the beetroot mixture. Combine everything well, making sure that the potato is nicely mashed and combined with the beetroot mixture. So our cutlet mixture is ready. Now turn off the flame and add 1 tablespoon of maida or all-purpose flour. This is to absorb any moisture in the cutlet mixture. Instead of maida, you can also use wheat flour or corn flour or rice flour or even breadcrumbs. Mix everything well. So our cutlet mixture is ready. We'll transfer this into a bowl. We'll allow this mixture to cool down. Now into a bowl add 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour. Add 1/4 cup of water and prepare a thin mixture. Our cutlet mixture has come to room temperature. Now using my hands, I'll mash everything and mix everything together. Now let's start preparing our cutlet. I have greased my hand with some oil. Now take medium-sized portion from the cutlet mixture. Give it the shape of a ball. Now gently press them and shape them like a cutlet. Now we'll dip our cutlet into the maida mixture that we prepared. Then coat it with the breadcrumbs. So that's done. Similarly, we have prepared all the cutlets. We were able to prepare 7 cutlets out of this mixture. Now we are going to shallow fry them. Heat up a pan. Add sufficient oil for shallow frying. Once the oil is hot, place the cutlets one by one. We are going to fry them until the bottom side turns golden brown. So our cutlets have turned golden brown from both the sides. Now let's take them out on a serving plate. So our beetroot cutlet is ready to be served. Do try this recipe and let me know how they turned out. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Take care. Thanks for watching.